Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download Lucidchart or save it as a PDF. All right. So for example, you have your chart opened or diagram opened. So what we're going to do here is just go ahead and go to the top left. Right here, we have these tabs. All right. Just go and select File, click on it, and there will be a drop down. Now in here, go ahead and hover your mouse onto Export. As you can see here, we have this list as well, where we can go ahead and choose as our exporting file type. All right. So for this example, we're going to use PDF, which is right here. So I'm going to click on it and there will be a pop-up. Now go ahead and click on maybe later. Okay. Click on it. And here's the download preview. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and download the full canvas or crop to content just like that, or custom crop. Okay. And if you want to include page fill as well, go ahead and turn on the slider right here. If not, just go ahead and turn it off. Now, accessible PDF right here, when you click on the information icon, it contains searchable text and structural or descriptive elements like tags and alternative text for graphics and images, if specified, of course. Now, it is recommended for digital documents that might be used with assistive technology or devices like screen readers. All right. If you want to enable it, just go ahead and tick on this tick box. If not, just leave it as is, then hit on download, wait for it as it's generating. It says here processing complete. Download page right here popped up. I'm going to save it on my desktop, hit on save, and it's done. And it's now saved as a PDF. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.